I've come all the way from the North Pole to Corsicana, Texas, to the Collin Street Bakery. Mrs. Claus makes great cookies, but when it comes to fruitcake, not so much. I wanted to find out all of the wonderful things that are here in Corsicana, so I've come here to learn, and I've come here to work. Collin Street Bakery, this is Santa speaking. How can I help you? And I know that the world's best fruitcake comes here from the Collin Street Bakery. And this is my first day, and I want to learn more about all the wonderful things they do here.
Heard Santa's coming today. Good luck to him. It's 78 degrees outside and he's wearing all wool, I understand. Santa, I wish you'd help me with this order, please.
Wish? Come sit here, young man.
So, I thought his beard was fake, but it turns out it's real.
He says his beard is real. I'm not buying it.
Joe, I forgot my password again. Could you get me a new one, please? Yes, indeed. I will get my elves right on it.
I heard Santa was going to start working here today, so I dressed my absolute best. See my earrings?
Okay.
I think he was only hired because he's famous.
I'm so excited that we hired a famous person at the bakery. It's Santa.
He keeps asking where to park his sleigh, and I don't know what he's going to do about the reindeer.
He keeps saying everything is a Christmas miracle.
It's a Christmas miracle.
Santa, can I have your timesheet for this week?
So, I just heard that Santa ate all the cookies for Cookie Court. I mean, seriously, all the cookies for Cookie Court? I mean, there's probably 30.
So Mike brought the cookies for Cookie Court today, and the boss is supposed to be the first person to look and inspect the cookies. Santa ate them all, and then he blamed me.
You know Santa eats a lot of cookies. As a matter of fact, Santa's doctor has in his medical records, eats cookies all the time.
I told Santa he can have them all. Hello, Santa.
Collin Street Bakery, this is Santa speaking. How are you doing? Collin Street Bakery, this is Santa speaking. How y'all doing today?